Hello and welcome to The Loop. From Morgan County, I'm Matt Bruning.
And I'm Erin McBride. It's been a hot week.
Yeah, temperatures have been in the 90s all week with high humidity, and working on the highways in these conditions can make an already tough job even tougher. But our men and women know the job that they do is vital to keeping Ohio moving.
Our crews take extra precautions, like more frequent water breaks to stay hydrated and wearing neck wraps. Our crews also review heat-related safety tips during their tailgate safety talks before work begins, and in some cases adjust their hours to begin the work earlier in the day.
Well, while the air temperature may be in the 90s, the temperature on the pavement can be much hotter. In fact, sometimes the road surface gets so hot that it actually cracks, and that's what's happened on portions of I-77 in Washington County this week. Heat causes pavement to expand, and when it runs out of room, well, this is what happens. This isn't a problem that's limited to just Ohio, though. Several other states have seen these same issues during periods of very hot weather.
Fortunately, our crews were able to make repairs and get the highway reopened within a few hours.
Well, staying here in southeast Ohio, after more than a year, a massive landslide repair has been completed here in Morgan County. This $8 million project was necessary after heavy rains caused about 900 feet of the hillside along State Route 376 to begin to collapse back in February 2019. Crews had to move about 350,000 cubic yards of material, drill into the hillside, and install 10,000 feet of 36-inch H-piles weighing 1.5 million pounds to support the roadway and the land above it. Now, State Route 376 is a very important road here in Morgan County. Not only is it the main route to the middle and high school, but there are also some offices for local government and a nursing home on this roadway. The assigned detour added about 12 miles and about 30 minutes to a trip. Federal emergency funding will cover about 80% of the total cost of this project, and people who live here tell me they're certainly glad to see this roadway reopen.
Here's proof that you never know what you're going to get into here at ODOT. Last week, Harrison County Manager J.D. Marlatt heard the sound of a kitten coming from one of our vehicles. He found that kitten stuck between the radiator and the grill of the vehicle. Harrison County Auto Tech Tommy Zendi was able to safely remove the kitten. Great job, Tommy.
No kidding, Aaron. Get more ODOT news at transportation.ohio.gov. Follow us on social media and send us story ideas and feedback to loop@dot.ohio.gov.
And now, you're in the loop.